Wait, is this ambient? Oh, no, I don't want that. Alright. What's up, everyone? I'm back. Making sure everything's working. Yep, streams are up. Let me ping. Let's get that going. Hey, Dubs, what's up? Oh, actually, let me quickly take my plate to the sink and fill up my water. Alright. Yeah, pretty good. I went out yesterday with my cousins, which was actually really good. Just blasting music at clubs. The music was so loud and my ears hurt. Matt's making pretty good progression. I kind of do want to introduce... Or I want to bring in the map, but it's only like the town area and the mountain area. It's like this area over here that's not done yet. Yeah. Oh my god, my mic cut out again, bruh. So, what we're looking to do is just get all the objects inside the parent, no matter where it is. And we want to keep going. So if it's another folder we're looping through, so let's say we're going through the groups here, and we find another folder. Well, we are going to... Oh, maybe I should. Should I do that? I wasn't sure at first, but I might have to. Because, groups, models... Oh, let's have a look here. Melee. Melees, knives, consumables, axes, bows, arrows. Oh, maybe I won't. Let's do get equipment by name. Equipment name. Oh, equipment model name. And then we can do yeah, we can do that, and then local equipment table form to for underscore model in pairs replicated assets dot models get children do underscore folder actually, and then for underscore model inside that. Equipment table model dot name equals model. And say if equipment table equipment model name, then return a clone of that, return nil. And then we can say function module get particles by name, particle name. And then we can say like function module get arrow by name, arrow model name. We do if replicated assets dot grouped dot arrows find first child arrow name. So we'll just model equals that. If model then return nil. Return. Actually, we'll do return model and model clone. Otherwise, it will return nil. So if we find the equipment in there, we want to return a clone of it. If we find the model here, we want to return a clone of it. For the particle, if replicated assets dot particles find first child particle name. So local particles is that. We want to return particles and particles clone. But always returning a clone here of whatever. Particles. Oh, got the equal sign. There we go. Alright, now that we've done that, let's do replicated assets, and we need to go find all of these and replace them. So instead of that, we'll do in here local asset service equals replicated modules dot asset service. So this is dot models find first child name, so that's get equipment by name. So get equipment by name, target model. So let me actually just copy this one. And then I'll also copy this one. And then we can keep looking. Target model. And then we can come up here. That one doesn't have any. That one doesn't have any. That one does not have any. Doesn't have any. So yeah, we're pretty much replacing this one here. Hey, Spade, your scripting tutorial is really helpful. When are you going to make more? Honestly, I don't know what tutorials to make next. I've been kind of busy. I'm not gonna lie. Well, what tutorial do you want to see then? Oh god, there's a lot here. I get particles by name. The particle name. Heal particle. Oh wait, is that local assets? Oh wait, no, it's not. Heal particles. And I won't need to clone it. Actually, now that I think about it, I should probably go back and... No, that won't work now. Yeah, I'm gonna have to clone that there. Alright, looks like I don't want to clone it here. Focus on making skills abilities, not sure where to start next. Oh, okay, yep. Oh, I don't really know. Have you done, like, user interface before? That could always be helpful to know. You're just gonna... It's sort of like, you just gotta have a try of everything and just see what you like most. So that is get equipment by name. That is get equipment by name, I guess, yeah. Asset service, get equipment by name, red potion mesh. Hey Pizza, hey Kool-Aid again. Anything you suggest that I can try? I mean, I'll try turn-based system. They're always fun. I'm just gonna see what I've made. Whoops. Grid placement system. If you haven't done that, I remade like Darkness 3, but that doesn't matter too much. I done some circuits there, like and not or gates, that sort of thing. I tried a karate game there. I was like, eh. Magic floating letters. I did some abilities with Kana and Mega Man. Parallel terrain generators. Quad trees, that's nice to know. Yeah, a lot of like little prototype stuff. May I whisper you a link for background music? Sure. You might have to send it to me on Discord though. Because I don't have like the actual Twitch page up. I've got something called Restream, which is doing YouTube and Twitch at the same time. Yeah, I'm gonna keep going with this. How many are there even? Okay, not too many now. Let me clear the ones that only have it for whatever reason. Okay, there we go. Local asset service. Oh, I might have to end up changing that later. Oh well. Let's see. Asset service. Get equipment by name. Asset service there. Yeah, I don't know if I should be grouping the replicate modules together, because these are different services compared to these definitions one. What do you think are main important things to make a game? UI, or obviously UI, data, so backend. Yeah, Discord is, I believe it should be in the description, but I'll put the Discord link in there. But it's like, you should generally know, all the general things that you need to make a game. Like, if you know how to make UI, or script UI, then you're kind of, like, good. You know what to do. But yeah. Get equipment by name. And then backend is just like data, which is simple profile service. I'm gonna keep those there. Actually no, I should get the asset service for this one. Oh boy, that's a long one. There we go. And then we can say asset service. Get arrow by name, default. Get by name, death arrow. I don't need projectiles here. That's stupid, I put it there. Effects. I don't know how to structure this. Is UI hard to learn? Not too crazily. Backend can be pretty hard, yeah. I've just done it for a while, so I know how to do it pretty well, but yeah, it generally should be hard. Especially if you're doing like anime games or anything like that, it will get pretty crazy. Alright, if I play that. I've been scripting since like 2015, and I reworked my code in 2019. So, quite a while. Actually, if any of you missed that last stream, I ended up making this death bow, which does that. I increase the damage. Wooden sword. Let's go 6, 5 to 9. Wooden bow. 3 to 7. Death bow. 10 to 22. Knife. 6 to 8. Or 5 to 8. I just sort of like chuck it out values. I'm a side particle maker as well. Oh, that'd be cool if you could make some particles. That's up to you though. Okay. Yeah, I don't know where the rest of these went. I swear I had them. I had them somewhere. Well, I don't know what these are. Let me have a look. Oh, wait, no, they're my old RPGs. Oh, NPC pack. Found it. Okay. Alright. Yeah, so if you think you're bad at making games, this is what I made back in the day. And then there's this little tan area over here. Look, there's my old avatar. And don't even get me started on the code. Oh my god, the free scripts. I just need to find all of these and put them in separate lines. So format properly. Format document. Did I miss one? Oh, I missed that one. Format document. There we go. This is the old code I used. Yeah, I know that one. Yeah. Oh my god, look at all these. Actually, I want to see if I can reuse these. Divine Flame Sword. It's not even like flame. If I talk... Wait, no, it doesn't have a texture. Oh, okay. That's weird. Yeah, there's old game number 1, and then old game number 2. Which actually, this one progressed quite a bit. I won't lie. I already had 4 places. There's the forest. There's a ogre there. There's another secret boss. And there's these guys here. So yeah. Oh, and the desert. And I think if you touch the tip of that pyramid, it'll take you to this guy. I kind of want to keep this vibe though. Boss. Oh yeah, this is just for the bosses. There's a free model fountains. And then VIP. And then Mega Arm or whatever that is. Wait, how'd you even get to the VIP? Was there a button? Oh, I think there was. But yeah. That one was a little bit better in terms of code. Oh my god. I'm off topic here, but holy shit. Oh, even I did functions for that. Overpowered sword. Yeah, you can see there's quite a bit there. But I did find what I was looking for. And thanks Camille for this. Which was the NPCs. So I want to see what NPCs we can put at the start here. I'm just gonna give them a second to load. But in here, there's a... So this is the base class for enemies. And then there... Or actually this one is. I think that one was just a cloned one. So this is the base class. And then I had a... one that inherited it. And then this is like a super here. And then in it here... Wait, no. Or is it enemy service? Yeah, enemy service. So I could actually test if this inherited it properly, which it does. I think I have to press play for it to work. Nope. Okay. Oh. Oh, the modules were deleted. There you go. But yeah. Here's the models he gave though. I think this was all of them. Can't exactly see, and there's a bunch of sounds in there too. Yes, these 4. Actually, I might end up just using that one. I think I'll just end up using this one. No, it's a plains area. I need like walls. I need a wolf. I can put that in the jungle though. Okay. So I need enemies. Or was that saying, first minor lore dialoguing tutorial, yeah. I still need the town and all that though. Let's get some like wharf. Anyone with bones? No, that's not one. Let's see if Roblox provides one. Nope. Yeah, that doesn't even work. I might have a wolf somewhere. But I have to see. Oh, hell no. That's a lag machine right there. Let's have a look and see if we can find any. Which I do have a few websites. Wolf. Wolf. No match. Or animals? Animal? No. What's in this one again? And this is buildings. Yeah, this one's buildings. Okay. Werewolf. Oh no. Maybe a slime? No, I might have to go. Monster. No, I can't use demons. Oh shit. What's that squid? Art squid? Turbo squid, that's one. Let's see if we can find anything in turbo. See ya gaming. Let's go wolf. Oh shit. That one looks pretty good. We just could be able to animate it. Rigged. What does let's have a look at Sword Burst Online real quick. What do they use? Sword Burst 2, I mean. That one's pretty cool. Animal. Yeah. I know that they have a different... Oh, I know, they use a boar. That's right. Use boars. Oh my god, he is really low poly. Oh, that's a pretty cool one. Oh, I see. They're made of, like, the smaller parts. Well, I thought I had... Am I... Oh, it's probably my other account. That's why. Okay, I guess at this point we'll just search for a boar. See, that's one they're using. Actually, I think this one's one here. Well, that one's a pretty cool one. The amount of parts though, holy. Let's just make a quick script to select all of them. Pawn score. Actually, let's do it like cell game dot selection set cell 4 underscore part in ipairs workspace dot frenzy bore. Is that spaced? Yeah, no, yeah, unspace it. Frenzy bore. Get children do. If part dot. Oh, if part is a base part and part dot color equal to color, then p will dot insert cell part. There we go. That works. Now, what is inside all of these? If it is a brick color or a number value. Number value. Oh, I really wish scripts were allowed to change it to a mesh part. Yeah, that's snap. Which one's the eyes? Can I get the eyes? There we go, Coco. We could use something like this as a starting mob, I guess. Maybe? I'm playing storage. To be honest, I'm not too confident on what... I don't think I can really progress without the map. I could have weapons and all of that. But I don't think I can really progress further without the map. Maybe I could start cleaning up the systems, but that's about it. Yeah. Yeah, okay. Oh, actually, there is something we can do. Let's do... Let's make a plugin. So, let's make a folder. We'll do this, edit game editor plugin. And actually, let's put that inside here and call this plugins. We'll call this one script. We'll call that plugin. Plugin equals plugin. Hey, live Twitch. Let me find my other plugin which I made in the past. Plugin. Oh, that shit's right there. Don't worry about that. There's another one I also made a while ago. Where is it? I had another one. Where did I put it? Plugins. Here we go. plugin suite. Okay, so I'm looking for, yeah, so here's a script there. I had classes and all that here. So let's start with creating a base plugin for these. So let me move this off to the side for a second. Cancel that. So what I want first is empty plugin. I want a module for folders. Looks best of all games. Is that what you're trying to say, Twitch? I can't tell. Let's get the classes here. Get rid of all the types. Don't need any of that there. Look at all of the games. Oh, yeah. Yeah, I've got quite the few. So you didn't actually have to specify nil here, which I thought you did. But it's fine. So we got that. Promises there. I don't think I didn't do much there. Definitely don't want the type. No. No. Empty number. So that's empty. Any. Empty. Empty. Empty it. I'm just trying to clear out all the type stuff here. And I think that's good. Timer. Same thing again, just clearing all the types. Dun, dun, dun. That one should be pretty quick. Wait, no, that's an old timer class. I can't use that one. Did I redo it in here? Wait, no, that's that one. Okay. That one's there. Yeah, this one's quite old. I believe that should be fine. This time, so let's get the utility in here. So debounce, that should be fine. Yep, that's fine. Numbers, oh yeah, that one's gonna have a few. String. And that's all of them. Looks like it. Oh, I don't even remember what stuff was there. Oh. So that's good. Now, script.compression. I don't have the compression module, and I won't need it, so that's all good. There we go. Get line count, space, total bytes. Yep, that's good. Numbers is done. Table. Let's do table now. Let's clear out all the numbers. There we go. And time, that one's really quick. Oh my god, does that, do any of these have, oh no. I must fix that. With a tab. I shall not let that live. All these dots I need to get rid of. Right. Let's check the utility thing here again. Don't need any of that. So classes, utility. What else did I have? Alright. So now I've got that. Let's do plugin. Let's just create the plugin here. So we'll need this here. Plugin name. Create ID tooltip. Icon name. Icon. Text. image ID. We can say local folder equals script parent, plugin folder. And we can say local classes, module, require, plugin folder, which child classes, and shall do dot classes. So if it does error, we know that's broken. Local utility module, require, plugin folder, dot utility. So we'll see this. So what's this one do? Test button. Oh yeah, there we go. So what we're going to do next is we're going to check if the plugin is actually allowing script injections. There we go. So plugin get setting, template plugin has ran. Template plugin is running for the first time. So we'll play inside a do statement. Test plugin needs script injection permissions. Config. And then we'll also do... Oh wait, no, that should be right. Okay, so that's pretty much all we need there. The rest is just like creating the GUI and everything. So what do we want to use this plugin for? Let's just duplicate this. So this is game editor plugin. Let me actually save this also in empty plugin. So plugins, game editor plugin with our made promise signal, debounce numbers, string, table time. So what we want is I'll put inside here actually local utility. I'm gonna create a new there, function module, get replicated module. So I want the module name. So what we'll have a look at is wait, no. Actually, do I want visualizers? Do I want visualizers? Give me visualizers. Visualizers. Prints. I should have thought about that first one. Models. Prints. So get replicated module. Or get replicated definition. Get shared definition. I want to do local module equals. Let me actually do local replicated storage. Game get servers replicated storage. Local replicated module script equal modules module script. Find first child modules. So if not that, then return nil. Local. So actually, let's do definitions parent. Definitions. So if not, return nil. Otherwise, get shared definition raw, I guess. I don't know, I think that should work. We can do return. Oh, actually, I'll just do get shared definitions. Yeah, I'll just do that. Local script source equals definitions parent and definitions parent. Find first child a module name. So if not script source, then return nil. So if not script object, return nil. Return. How can we do this? Can we JSON encode? No, we can't JSON encode. We'll do a load string. So what we're gonna do is run to our toolbox. Oh, not toolbox. We want a load string. Actually, I might get my own one. Do I even have it? And I think I do. We've got util modules. Does that have it? Pseudo instance. That's a good one. I'm looking for. Not there. Let me switch the script. No, it's not there either. No. No, I want. I'm looking for this one, but the V1 version. Maybe I should look on the dev form. Yeah, this one. This is one I want. So if I just save that. And then just put that in there. Bring that to our utility. Actually, I might put that inside plugin here. Alright. So now that we've got that, what we can do is we can do return require script.loadString, and we're going to load the source, which is script object.source. And environment get fan of 0. Let me just see what this prints again. Yeah, that should be in the current wherever it's reading it from. So what we can do is so maybe for testing we can do local user input service equals game get service user input service. We can do user input service input began connect function input object if input object dot key code is enum dot key code dot p then we want to try find items. And we want to get the source or source table. And we want to print source table. So the reason why we want to do that is so if I just put in plugins. So that doesn't do anything, but if we press P, we get a function. Maybe. What does that do again? We get a function? Okay. I guess that's what returns it. So if we do that again, P wait, what? Items. Oh. Yep. Because it requires other things, I forgot. It might be better if I just... What could I do? I could just... So it's doing it from this script. That could work, I suppose. We save that. Settings in a Valorant module script of blah. Oh, script object dot parent. What? Items. Script.parent.settings. Script object.parent. There we go. So what we can do is get the items. Now hopefully that only prints it. Yep, okay, so one at a time. And then let's say we completely change this to be a bunch of random shit. And then we press P again. It changes it. So that's what we want. So if we update it, we can actually check it again. So let's change that back to items. So now we can get any of these modules. That problem. And the reason why we require every time is so that it loads a new VM rather than using the same one, which will cache the scripts. Function utility load and return scripts or module scripts. There we go. So let's separate those into two functions so we can get shared definitions. We can I'm not gonna get any of them. I won't need them. Oh, we could do no, not classes. We only really need definitions here. And then we can do the same on the server and client if we really need. Which I don't think we'll need to. Maybe the client. Get client definition. So that would be local starter player modules. Module script. So local starter player scripts equals game get server starter player. Starter player dot starter player scripts equals find first child modules. And we do that there instead. So I might just call it that. And get rid of that now. It's absurd. So actually I'll change this to be function utility get definition module inside the parent module name. Get module get definition module. So the parent will be that one. And then we run that in here. Yeah, my mic cut off again. It's the USB, it's getting really annoying again. Happened to my other one. I really need to put on like a movable stand where I don't have to pull out the USB to turn it off. Just use like a switch instead. Yeah, so we got our template buttons here, and then I'm kinda... So I know I can do 1010 here. Oh, actually, no, I can't. I need to resize it so it's just away from the edge there. Like that. So this would be a template frame. And then I guess we would have a different widget creator for all of them. So like this one would be the items editor. Then we'd have one for the quests editor, dialogue editor. That sort of thing. Attributes editor. Achievements editor. Loot table editor. Enemies editor. You know, that sort of stuff. Whoa, very early. What do you mean? Oh. Yeah. We can have that sort of stuff in the plugin. So, how do I want to handle that? Well, let's go back to our plugin real quick. And what I'm going to do is... I'm actually going to move this utility out of here. To require... Oh wait, no. Require utility module dot script handler. And then inside utility here... Actually, I'll put it over here. Script handler. Return utility. So we need a couple of things here. So let's do module. Oh, okay. No, it's 4:18 p.m. for me. Well, misc. So misc folder is scripts.parent. So load string module equals script.parent dot load string. So plugin folder equals script.parent.parent local misc folder script.parent. We can move them into here now. And then we can do our require misc.script handler. Like that. And that works now. And then we'll just set up all the UI and everything in a moment, but what I am after is creating a Windows system. So if I go and let me actually delete all of these and reuse this here. I'm going to call this Windows. Not Windows computer, but Windows. And I'm going to do systems, active systems equals that. And then we'll do for active name, active module, in pairs, active systems. So this actually is gonna derive from, do these ones, okay, these use different ones. But if I show you in my other project, what I need is inside the cacher here, I have this has init function. And I want to check whether or not this specific table has a init function. So I want to say if has an init function, that there, local parent systems, or local other systems equals a new table. We want to loop through this again, say other name, other module, if other name is equal to the active name, then continue, otherwise other system, other name equals other module. And then we can say the active systems, so this would be the active module init, and we want to pass in the other systems. So what this is saying is it's going to get all the other windows and allow this module to access the other ones. Specifically the other ones, and it won't have a recursive issue. So that's what I want, or what we need for this. So local module, so I'm just going to change this to module here. And then I want to say local cache. Let's get children. I want to do cache, 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 cache. I guess I could turn cache here. Do I need to return? Oh no, yeah, I do need cache there anyways, yeah. Because if you're quiet, you want all the modules. But these specific systems only want the other ones. Alright, so now that we've done that, let's make a new module here. I'm going to call this the... what widgets do we make? Let's do the achievements first. Maybe the quest editor? Let's have a look at what they have inside them. No, maybe I need something that's a little bit easier. Oh, actually, I do want some other buttons too. So inside the frames, I'm going to bring them down a little bit, and we're going to have a little util buttons, which is horizontal this time, above here. And I want them to go horizontal. Or did it change because it knew? That one's vertical, isn't it? Yeah. That one's horizontal. Padding top 0.2, padding bottom 0.02. I want it to pad to the left first. And then I need obviously a little bit of padding there. That's kind of and increase the size a bit. Can I go down touch? There we go. So let's do so actually there's only one reason why I wanted this. I want to do table editor. Well, actually I'll do additions. And then I wanted one for script editor. Oh wait, hold on. Yeah, and then we can have other little menus here. And then what's... Oh, wait, yeah, it's supposed to be in here. That one change. It's gonna make them longer buttons there. There we go. And then these ones, I just want them to fit. And then I do want a label, actually, yeah. 10.20. 2.5, go to 0.75. I want to do name in Calam. Text shall be white. Scaled. Background transparency 1. Let me actually just hide the image for a second. Yeah, perfect. And then I can put them in there. Slightly reduce that more. Alright, so it's kind of hard to see, but we'll see what the images go on. And then same here, I'm just going to add them in there. Make these a little bit darker also. And there we go. And we'll add buttons in there in the plugin. So, how does this one work? So let's just have a function module init. Other systems. So it's like what we had before with the systems container. Actually, no, it is that. Systems container equals boom. And we just do systems container equals other systems. And that's our init there. Print achievements. Actually, in this case, I'm going to do inside our Windows module here. I'm going to do warn initialized active name Windows module. I can actually just print that. Oh, that should be fine. There we go. Okay. Now if we go back and try this again. Boom. It doesn't look like it actually initialized it. Okay, let's go and have a look here. Oh, I didn't actually require it, that's why. So local Windows module equals require plugin folder dot Windows. There we go. Now we can actually see what's wrong. Cache, init, other systems. Oh. Yeah, I don't want to cache init. I want to do active module init. Initialize achievements Windows module. There we go. Or window module. Initialized achievements window module. Window module. Or window class. I don't know. Initialized window active achievements. No, I'll probably do a 1 there. Alright, so now that we've got that, let's do let's get this UI in there. So maybe what I can do is just simply place that in there. And then I can just do a do handler here, maybe. No, I have to do it down here. Misc folder dot doc widget clone dot parent equals that doc widget there. Well, I don't think I oh, I didn't even mean to do that. There we go. Yes, now we've got our buttons inside there and we can have a look what we may need to change. So first and foremost, I'm going to add some... Where is it? That one? No, that one. So dock widget here. I'm thinking that I need to change this so it fits maybe like if we do 0.9.9. Is that our current one? Yeah, it is. Yeah, there we go. 0.9, 0.95. Does this actually have a background? I guess it doesn't. Wait, no, those were meant to go inside there. And then them ones are supposed to be on index 2, and that one's supposed to be on index 1. Which apparently is not working. Sibling, okay. There's one here fix there too. So let's jump back over here. Let's fix all of this. So the doc widget dot behavior z index behavior equals enum the z index behavior dot sibling, and then if we take this back out to the UI over here, these actually have to be scaled so it's down from the parent size. Not that one, this one. So let's scale them down like that, so they'll be away from the edge. Yeah. And then we can just cut and paste it back in. And it should be good. So I open that widget again. Yep, that's better. So now that we've got that, I'm going to quickly delete everything inside here again. Let's start with the buttons. Actually, I'm thinking we have two separate widgets for this. So what we'll have is... What's this one? Yeah, so we've got a testing one. So let me just comment that out. So actually I want two widgets. So this is the menu selection widget. And then I want this to be the editor widget. Game editor. And get items. How could I do this? So I'm just going to need all of that again. And then I want to make a doc widgets. And I'm going to put function, dock widgets, toggle, dock widget, instance. And I want to say for underscore widget in ipairs dock widgets. Do if widget, if type of widget is equal to instance. Wait, actually I'll do if it's a function, then continue. If widget dot enabled equals dock widget enabled. Dock widget instance is equal to the widget, not widget dot enabled. Or false. There we go. So we've seen this code before. If it is this widget, just toggle it on and off. Otherwise, if it's not the widget, just toggle it off altogether. So now I can do dock widgets toggle the dock widget. And then this one is not that one. This one is the menu selection. And this will be a 400. Menu selection widget. And then we can have down here the same thing. Dock widget toggle the dock widget. This one will be false by default. This one will also be false. And then that should be good. Alright. Hey Dave Orikra. So that's menu selection. Can I have tester? No. The game's nearly open anyways. And the game's open sourced if you do want to get a copy, so. Let me put the link for the game actually in the chat. Oh, my thing's breaking there. Yeah, it's all open sourced. There's the game link. Did I put a plugin here? Plugin. I swear I put that somewhere. Oh, idea. Plugin to manage game. Donkey Quest at start. We could do a bunch of miscellaneous systems otherwise while we're waiting for the train. Oh, you're on mobile, okay. So menu selection. Where's a finite state machine? So think of it like you can be in states. For example, if you've got a fishing rod, you can be in a state of reeling it. You can be in a state of holding it out. You can be in a state of like idling with it in your hands, that sort of thing. And it allows you to swap states if you are allowed to swap the state to that specific state. So like, I can't go from holding it to reeling it. I had to first throw it out and then reel it back. So finite state machines let you set up that sort of framework, so you can only enter specific states if you're in a previous state. And you can do like animations and all that with it. Oh, whoops, I didn't know. Mean to run that. Only 8 people in Roblox Studios? What do you mean by that? Actually, let's see game editor. 0.25. Now let's make another one. This one I believe was 400 by 400. And we just want the buttons in the size of that. And it's going to be horizontal. We want 0.4, maybe 0.3. Yeah, 0.1. Yeah. Oh, hey, Mechnor, just noticed. But yeah, so we've got our buttons here. So this one would be menu, selection menu. So here I want misc folder dot selection menu clone dot parent equals doc widget. And then here I want game editor clone dot parent equals that. Yeah. And then if I just move these two to here, save that as a plugin. I can go up here, click that one, is it? Nope. That one's not working. Let's see. Oh, I didn't table to insert, that's why. So table.insert, that one the doc widget. That one the doc widget. There we go. There we go. So now I've got the selection menu here. And then once we set that button up, we'll be able to do that. Actually, is this... enabled? Dot click, toggle that. Widget. Let's try this again quickly. So that works. So plugin GUI, plugin GUI, plugin GUI, plugin GUI. Where is that one? Why is there so damn many? Doc widget dot name equals game editor editor menu selection. This one would be editor game editor. So them two, and then if I run the button. Okay. Ah, that's why. So actually, I just wanted that one there. I didn't want this one here. That's why it's doing it. There we go. So I'm saying toggle this one and hide all the other ones. That's what the point of this button here is. And then you can click on this one, which will open up the other one. So let's add that So, stock widget instance. So, if type of doc widget instance is equal to string, then the reference, so that one would be equal to the widget.parent find first child doc widget reference. And that one would be the game get service plugin GUI service find first child the reference. So doc widgets toggle that one, and then inside here what we can do is doc widget dot, I don't know if it will show, yeah, it won't show it. So selection menu, buttons, dot templates, and then we need our GUI utility, so let's add that in here. So GUI utility, module, function module, create action button, or new action button, properties, local base button, instance.new image label, or image button actually, yeah. Base button dot background transparency equals 1, base button dot a mixed property of, oh shit, that's nice. Do that one. Dot visible equals true. Dot size equals udem2. Dot from scale 1 dot anchor point equals vector2 dot new half dot position equals udem2 dot from scale half. So that way we only need to change the size if we want the button to be smaller. We don't actually have to reposition it or anything. Unless we most definitely have to, but unless you do it for most situations. And yeah, I think that's it. Then we just do local button equals base button clone return button for K or for IV in pairs properties do button I equals V. And actually we want to check if properties is a table. Like that. And then we can say utility module dot GUI utility new action button. Oh, I put the Z index. Don't forget that. Z index equals 50. Dot activated connect function. So you see that's quite the big thing there. Cool. Selection frame. Selection frame. So actually, let me do for underscore button in IPairs or button frame in IPairs. This get children do. If button frame is a button, is a frame, sorry, then create that one in there, and we want to call this toggle with the button frame dot name. There we go. So for every button we create inside here, we'll need to set it to the name of whatever widget we're trying to toggle. So in our case, it would be editor, game editor, which we want to set this one to. Another way I could do it is actually do this last and just have it loop through all these dock widgets and make a button for each of them. But actually, what? No, I'm going to do that. Let me do that. So that's one way of doing it. Or otherwise, for underscore widget in iPairs dock widgets do if widget is a dock widget GUI, then we want to do a new button, which will be template selection menu. We'll put that there. Which I might make a UI folder. Should I put that out there? I might put that there, yeah. Local UI folder equals plugin folder.ui. So we'll do UI folder .game editor clone. Your code so clean, nice to watch, anime. Oh, thanks. And then we want to do local frame equals UI folder find first child the widget dot name. If not frame, then continue. Otherwise, we put a new button. So for each of the widgets, if we can find the frame for it, then create a new button frame. So equals UI folder dot template selection frame clone. Button frame dot name equals widget dot name. And then we will set the parent also. Dot parent equals the selection frame dot buttons. And then that also means that we can set the selection frame dot buttons dot canvas size equals udem2 dot from offset. So this is horizontal buttons, so we only want it on the Y scale. And we'll have a local template button or a local reference button equals nil. So only if we actually create any buttons do we want to change the canvas size. And then we can use that same one to dot absolute size dot y. Is that right? Absolute size y, so the y value there, times by the number of items. So local count. So count plus equals 1. Times by the count. So actually I can see if count. I'll keep there. That's better. Times count. Now I can put like 50 plus that. 50 plus that. Oh, what's wrong way? So 50 plus the size. So 50 is for padding. And then that's the size of the actual frame. And then we times that by the number of frames we've got. This one. There we go. And then here we say reference button equals button frame. And then we actually say widget.name here, I believe. Yeah, widget.name. And then here we can say like dot label dot text equals the widget.name. So yeah, we could space it by capitals and removable underscores too. Here's me, Davari. I just got banned. Oh lol. Alright, so now that we've got that, let's do... So we actually don't need that anymore. Just clear that. So since we add this last, it's not going to create a button for it, because we already have a button up here for it, the plugin button. And actually, while I'm at it, I might as well move that into here, so we can create it on the spot. So this is the button ID. So this will be editor widget selection. Tooltip is open the game editor widget. Open the game editor selection menu widget. Open the selection menu widget. Asset ID / I'll just put some random numbers, see what we get. Selection widget. And actually, what we can do is at the top here, we can do if game.placeID does not equal to print game.placeID, then return, and then we can actually put this inside here. So number value, or actually int value, place ID, and we'll put that inside there. So whitelist certain places. Well, actually, you can only whitelist one place. Script dot place ID dot value. Just put that there. I lost 2 months of work in 10 minutes. That's a rip. Don't you save it locally? What? Let's play that. Oh, I didn't mean to play it again. I keep playing it. I need to save it as a local plugin. So if we have a look, looking all good. So if we open that menu now. Oh, well, my parentage is the wrong thing. Which one's this under? Menu selection. What's up with this one? Oh, I didn't set the size. That's what I was meant to do. So let's just jump back in here. Let's do local clone frame equals that one clone dot size equals unim2 dot from scale 1 So I just need that one again here, and let's try that again. Oh no, I don't want to play it. Keep forgetting. Save as there. So now if we do select that one, is that still not setting the selection menu? Oh, it's the position. Dot position. Half and half. Okay, there we go. Stop game. And go back and save it as local again. Huh. Menu selection. Okay, now that's actually correct. Let's have a look inside it. See what's up. I don't know if I did set the parent. I'm assuming those are just normal templates. Yeah, they're just normal templates. So we need to have a look if any buttons are being set. Print widget.name. And actually, a matter of fact, I think I know what's up. So the widget name needs to match the UI name. However, it's got editor at the front. So let's remove that for a minute. English string.sub widget.name to the number of widget.name. So that's 3, 6, 7. So we want to go from 7, I believe. So let me try print that. So let's just put that there. String, number of string, print. There we go. Oh wait, no, we want plus one more. So we want to get rid of that underscore. There we go. So 8. Now if we try that. Oops. Save as local plugin. And it did do it. Menu selection. I'm gonna make a print while just trying to search. Oh wait, I didn't even change this, that's why. Dot text. There we go. So now we've got the game editor and I can click on it if it works properly. Let's have a look now what's up. So the image button parent isn't set. So let's go back to where we create the button here. And actually I need to do parent equals that frame. And that should do it. So editor game there. Alright. So now selection widget is showing up. And I can click on it and it will open up this menu. I could make it so when I close that, it will open up the other menu, but it's just easier doing that. If I click that, it will close the others like that. Yeah. So there's our widget working. I could actually have a back button that appears too. And then, is there a clip descendants here? I don't think there is. Oh no, it clipped auto. Okay. But yeah. See, I've done it here too with my other sweet one. So this one opens a menu and click on it and it'll open up a different menu. And that uses like the it uses the system that we've got going here too. Like the Windows sort of thing. So we get game editor. So actually let me do game editor. And then we'll have a selection menu on. Oops. And then what I want to do is how could I do this? I could set them all up. So I have an init there, then I have function module setup, and then this is other dock widgets. Yeah. So pretty much I want to move this into the other module here. Which would actually just be as simple as doing that. And putting that in here. Yeah, let me do plugin folder. Local UI folder equals plugin folder dot UI. Local misc folder equals plugin folder dot misc. Local utility module require plugin folder dot utility. Local classes module require plugin folder dot classes. And then obviously that's other windows. Let me actually rename that. And then I want to say, how would I get my dock widget? Well, I'll do that here though. That's the problem. So maybe do in the have a service one. Services. Return module. And I want to say no. So this game editor one would go inside of here. That's the problem I'm having with this line. And then all I have to do, copy and paste that into the other one, selection menu. Just replace them. You see there's that. Unless I went and changed this So if type of active module is equal to a table and that, then I can say function module init all dot 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 dot. And then what can I do? I could pass a plugin through. Plugin and plugin toolbar. So now I can do our Windows module init all the plugin toolbar. So that'd be plugin toolbar. Like that. Yeah. I think that can work. All right. Yeah, I think that's probably what we'll have to end up doing. Just passing them to and doc widgets table in there. Doc widget toggle and then plugin toolbar is that one there. Actually, that should be like the first thing I sent. And then this is the doc wait, what I call it in this one? Doc widgets table. So yes, and then I give them all the doc widgets. Yeah, that should be good. Let me bring that one down here. Do I use that one anywhere? Yes, I do. So this is the game editor, RPG game editor. It's a name. Let me put that below here. Classes, UI folder. Plugins folder is definitely used. That one's definitely used. I'm just trying to clear out anything else here. Alright. That should do it. So now if we save as local plugin, initialize window, selection menu, game editor. If I click on that one, so the selection menu, we need to open that one. Dock widgets table, toggle this widget. Is that not doing it? Print dock widget reference. Type of that one, save as local plugin. So that's an instance. So why is that not toggling? Is it because of that? That's probably why. Oh, is there no print now? Oh fuck, I didn't mean to do that. Shit. One number. Toggle string function. Oh wait, there's only one widget? Editor, game editor. Now I'm trying to toggle. Oh. I forgot. Dock widget table. There we go. I need to delete that one. Let me just quickly rejoin the studio. There we go. So if I click that one, that one, that one, that one. Okay, that doesn't work. So let's go back in here. Ah, I know why. So what we need to do is... Oh my god, it didn't save, did it? That's not the saved version. Oh my god. Did it not save? Like I kept this. Jesus. Fucking hell. What is up with Roblox? I didn't even save it. Oh wait, no, I was meant to publish that. That's why. Publish to... Spook. RPG series. There we go. So now if I press... Oh, is it even here? That's not the same one! What? Restore. Go here. That's with the menus. Why the fuck is it not replacing it? Replace that one. Thank you. And then the problem was, I forgot to do that. Now let's save that one over the top. There we go. Now I can cut that and paste it over that one. And then I would like to save to file. And then I also like to publish. Is that publishing? Oh, it's taking forever. There we go. Okay. And then the problem for that one was, if I go back over here, this one needs to go last in terms of which one is required first. So in here, I want to do ordered. So selection menu must go last. Hey, gaming streamer. Pretty good. Just trying to get this thing to work. Oh, it's being funky. Load priority. So, if not load priority, then equals 1. Require M, and then M. So that to 1. Oh, nice. One of those calming streams. Well, I'm trying to figure this out myself. It's crazy. Local sorted. Underscore M in pairs module 2. I have an idea for this. Let's do local index equals math.clamp the m.load priority 1 to number of local count. Actually, I might as well just do it out there. Yeah, I didn't think about that. Oh, I know I can't. I've got to do it out there anyways. Down there anyways. Plus equals 1. What game are you... What are you doing in the studio? Like, what game are you making? So this is an RPG series. Right now, I'm at a standstill with it because I'm waiting for the map to get finished by the builders. So I'm starting on the plugin, which will be used to edit the game information, like, you know, your quests, your items, all of that sort of stuff. And I'm just like setting up a like Windows module system. And here we can do table.insert sorted math.clamp, and I want the module m math.clamp 1 to the counter. Wait, no, I wanted the clamp the current index, which would be the m.load priority, to 1 all the way up to counter. Like that. And then it'll be -1 then. So actually it should be -1. It's like if you have a priority of 4, and there's already another 4th one, it would go before it, so that way there's 4, then 5. I think that's what I want. And then I can do 4_m in pairs sorted to if has active module m, or if has in it m, 4_other in pairs sorted to if other is equal to m, then continue local other systems. Other name. No, that's the index though. Yeah, this isn't gonna work, is it? I have to do module script dot name m. I read all this shit here. So if has in it m2, so that's actually local m, so name m equals unpack data, and then I can do name and then other d local other n m equals unpack other d. So if other name is equal to name, continue. Otherwise, this other name equals the other m. Okay, and then I want to call initialized with the other systems. So m name. Oh my god, that's a fuckery. And I guess that's how you add a low priority. So let's load that one. Max speed must be greater or equal to min. Oh, yep. So that will be also math.clamp. Counter to math. But huge. I guess that works. Does that work? Oh, there we go. It's still doing it the other way. Game editor selection menu. Okay, there we go. There we go. Now it's working. But yeah, there we go. Now we can swap between the menus. And then that's game editor there. And then that's whatever names and whatever tabs. Alright. So that's the plugin there. That's still a work in progress, don't worry, we've barely even started that. That was in the ideas here. I guess we could do that next. But not now, though. I need to go to university. And that's gonna be after once maps. Yeah, so I'm literally just waiting for the map. So actually, we do have bow, so we can get rid of that one. Donkey quest at start. So mounts, weapons, staff animations. I can delete. Game lore storyline. That's on the notepad. Did I just open my VPN? I think I just did. That's a script. That's a script. That's there. Go away. Quit out. Base game. Yeah. So there's that. Custom character animations. That one's yeah, choose. Ballista, yeah, we need to work on that. Enchantments. Yeah. Fishing system. I want to actually do dual socketing too. So there's that. I can delete that. That's really old. What? Oh. That's in progress. Yeah. Not much happened now. Just maybe start on that a little bit. Was this number 20? So, started on game editing plugin. So that's pretty much the only thing I really did today. I don't think I really touched anything else. Last stream we redid notification system. Started player profile. Oh, started player profile data. Analytic data. Collection monetization. What else did we do in this one? I know there's something else we did. I don't remember. Oh, more of the top left. Finish. Top left info frame. Yeah. I don't think I can really do much till the map is added. So, hopefully next week I'll have the map ready. I'll make sure I got heaps of time. And I'll have to see you in the next stream once I come up with some stuff. Also, I'll be getting some copyright-free sounds and adding them because now, all these sounds are blocked because of Roblox's stupid ass update. So, yeah. What? Region data. Oh, that's why. Two 6. 18172. Let me just quickly fix these up. I just replace the whole thing. 184, that's fine. 18806, yep, get rid of that one. 4783, get rid of that one. 4978. And the waterfall one. Okay. Actually, I just need to replace these with, no ID. Alright. Yeah. I'll see you mob in the next stream. Game links there if you do want it. I think I did. Yeah, I did send the Discord invite a little bit ago. You want that? And yeah, hopefully the train's done for the next stream. If not, I'll hopefully figure out something we can do. Maybe search for music, but yeah, not much. All right, yeet.